In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube on your smart television. So I'll be demonstrating this on an LG TV, but this should also work on Samsung, Sony, Panasonic. As long as you have a smart TV, this should work for you. So the very first thing you need to do is just bring up your television home screen, and you can usually do that by pressing the home button on the TV remote control. Once you're on the home screen, the first thing we need to do is check if we have the YouTube app already installed. So you can usually use the arrow keys on your remote to go and scroll across the list of applications. So sometimes you may be able to find YouTube already installed on your device. So you can see on mine, I actually already have it. Now, if you don't have YouTube here and you need to go and install it manually, then we can do that as well from this home screen here. So all you need to do is scroll across the home menu until you see something called apps. Now on my television, it's this one here and it's just called apps, but it could be called something like store or app store. And this is basically where we can go and download new apps to our television. So if you're on a smart television, you should have this. So we're going to go and open this up. Once you're on the app store, you need to head over to the search icon in the top navigation. And then from here, we can simply search for YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in YouTube like this. And then once you've typed it in, you can go ahead and press search. Now you should be able to see YouTube in your list of applications. So as you can see, I can click on YouTube straight from here. Now if I go and click on this, it's going to take me straight over to YouTube because I already have it installed. But if you don't already have YouTube installed, you can go ahead and click on this and you'll then have the option to install it to your television. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.